Peter Wheeler. I'm retired now. I was here as a member of staff in the Wilson unit from the middle 70s to the middle 80s.
My name's Steve Gosley, and I was at the ISVR in the mid-90s. I did the undergraduate course, and I had a fabulous time.
I'm actually Gilly Brown. I work at Jaguar Land Rover, and I'm a technical specialist for powertrain sound quality.
My name is Uday Sinapati. I was at ISVR back in 2003-2004. Did my MSc in sound and vibration here, specialising in automotive refinement.
I'm Tobias Göring. I'm from Germany, from Hanover, near to Hanover. It's Braunschweig, the town is called. And I'm a development engineer working for an automotive company. Particularly with the ISVR, because I've been searching about institutions that conduct research in this field and found the ISVR leading in this field, because it combines like audiology, signal processing, acoustics, everything together. So everything you need for example, a hearing aid.
Fabulous lecturers, Tim Layton, Neil Ferguson in particular. Some great thoughts on how to apply acoustic or theory or practice, if you like, in the real world.
Couldn't miss it really. Having been here 13 years, a lot of my colleagues, some of my colleagues are still here. Some others have moved out, and some of the ones I've taught as well. I taught on the MSc course. I've just bumped into someone fairly senior in consulting now, who was one of my students. It was lovely to see everyone. Good fun. It's a great day.
ISVR, it was like a dream come true. The names that you think of, you read about, the people, the faculty here, it was just absolutely amazing being taught by these people. And after 10 years now, I return today to see the same faces. It's absolutely thrilling and amazing. People like to call celebs in different fields that they have their own interests in. My celebs are these guys at ISVR, and it's absolutely fantastic, I think.
We still see it as a leader of technology in the automotive sector, but also in acoustics. We have numerous research projects running. So I'm very loyal to the ISVR. I've enjoyed my time here, and to come back and meet up with old friends as well, that's been a great bonus of the day.